again with another video to you done know. So today, you guys, I'm going to be installing my charge pipe on my N55 car. It's specifically out of a F10 535i. This procedure is going to be pretty much the same procedure with any car that has the N55 engine in it. I'm just changing the charge pipe. My old charge pipe has like a little small hole in it, and I just wanted to change it out. I mean, it's not bad, but we want to change it before something big happens, you know? I'm a very firm believer in preventative maintenance, and this is something where I definitely want to do before it gets bad. As far as the charge pipe itself, I mean, it only came with two things. I got this charge pipe off of eBay. It's about like $170. It took about like a week and a half to get here. It's very good quality, so I do recommend it. So I just want to, go over it with you guys and install it. I see a lot of videos online on YouTube where people are taking off a lot of unnecessary stuff. So I'm going to be cutting dry and simple with it so anybody can do it, alright? Enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, so like I said, I'm going to be installing this and everything. I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. This flathead screwdriver is actually in the car. BMW, they give you a screwdriver that has two-way connections. So one's a flathead and one is a star head, which I think is pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to be using as well too is my star head screwdrivers. You can get them off of Harbor Freight and things of that nature. But those are pretty much the only tools I'll be using today to install this. So you're gonna watch me how I do it and everything. As I said, the way how I feel like I'm doing is gonna be the easiest way. So first, you're gonna want to take off this. Flathead screwdriver. Like I said, make it loose. This whole square air box actually comes up out of the rivets and everything. You want to also weigh this as well too, so that way when you lift up this box, it's not in the way. I should also take off this as well. So I'm gonna take off this. So give me 1 second. Next thing you're gonna want to do is take off this. Well, I guess in this way, just make it loose out a little bit because it will come out. This whole thing will come out. Also, there are some wires, they have to come off from the back here. Let's see this here. Bada bing. Boom. They just simply come up. It's nothing hard. Very easy to come off, you see that? So you're gonna want to take off the vacuum lines. These are the vacuum lines right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Vacuum lines. Bada bing, bada boom. Move them out the way. After you get the air box out, you have to take off the sensor, which uses a torque screw, which is the star, I like to call it. You take off these two, you take off the vacuum line, and then you take off this with a flathead screwdriver, and that's pretty much the charge pipe coming out in one sweep. You also have to take off the clip, all right? You have to also take off the clip too. see, this is the charge pipe. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Damn. It's dripping. Let's see if it's gonna drip. Okay. Yeah. So somewhere there is a slight little leak, and I said, let me go and change it before anything happens. I'm gonna be using the same O-ring that's inside of here and put it on the new one. So here is my new one. So I'm just going to install the O-ring inside of here and stuff. Make sure it all lines up. As you can see, it's all nice and lined up now. As well, look at that. All nice and compact. It looks like one of those dime bags. So I'm actually taking off this bolt here so I could put it in this little hole right here, because I am not putting meth in this car, and that is where you put meth in, and we're not doing any methy over here. So what we're gonna have to do is also transfer the sensor as well. So I took it out from the plug and I'm putting it in here. It does come with its own little screws as well too, so you can use and put it in there as well. Okay, guys, so I just finished installing it and everything. It was a pretty tight squeeze, but all in all it did fit and everything, so I do recommend it. I'm gonna put back everything together. It's just the same process, but rewind to put everything back together, the air box, and just plug up everything else, and then you're pretty much done. I'm gonna give you guys a ref time and everything so you guys can you know, hear how it sounds, if it makes a difference. But that's it. This pretty much concludes the video and everything. Please like and subscribe and everything, and for more content. Thank you and have a blessed day.